Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I am going to unboxing this Bluetooth headphone. Beside this, I'll try to discuss about this headphone. So let's start. Now guys, if I show you the front side of this box, here you can see the headphone image. The Bluetooth version of this headphone is 5.1. The model of this headphone is M19 TWS True Wireless Headphone. This side headphone model, touch version, 4 headphone colors available. On this side of this box are some specification about this headphone. You will find this specification in this video description. And this side true wireless stereo, ultra small, call and music function, and fast charging support. Now guys, I am going to open this box. Guys, if you want to purchase this product, then you will find this product link in this video description. Inside the box, nothing. Now here is the user manual of this headphone. This user manual written in both Chinese and English language. With this headphone I got some ear tips and a Type-C charging cable. So here is the headphone. This is the headphone charging case, and here is the Bluetooth headphone. Now guys, first I like to talk about this headphone case. This headphone case body made with plastic. This side one USB female port. I can use this headphone case as a mini power bank. This side Type-C charging port for charging this case, and a LED torch light. This is the torch light button. Yes, it is. Now I like to show you the inside of this case. Here you can see the inside of this case, 2 headphone socket and a big display. Now if I place this headphone at this socket, display showing headphone left right alignment, headphone battery bar, and this case total battery percentage. This is the case total battery percentage. This is the right side headphone battery charging bar, and this is the left side. Although this case body made with plastic, but the body is strong enough. Okay, after removing the plastic, it's shining, and I can see the display from the outside of this box. Guys, this headphone cover is magnetic. Friends, when I pull out this headphone light is now blinking, which means it's searching for a Bluetooth device. Red and blue light blinking. Now I like to connect this headphone with my phone and test the sound quality of this headphone. Okay, here you can see the device name, TWS version 5.1. Okay, it's now connected with the headphone. Now if I play a music, first I like to test this headphone touch sensitivity. Touch sensitivity is good. Double touch, play the next music. Both sides touch work perfectly. Guys, I can increase sound with this headphone touch. Friends, I buy this headphone with only $13.29. At this price, this is a good TWS Bluetooth headphone. The sound and bass quality are very good. You can call and talk with this headphone. When you talk with this headphone, guys, if you want to know more specification of this headphone, please visit this video description. So friends, that's all. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.